What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Chef Timmy Jay, and today we are finishing up our series of quick dinner recipes. So if you haven't seen the last two videos, make sure you check out my channel and check out those quick dinner recipes. But today we will be doing cubed chicken breasts and long grain white rice all in one pan. Is pretty simple and pretty easy, something that you all can do. So again, quick and simple, easy recipes. This is a one pan meal. So without any further ado, let's get to cooking. All right, fam, so for ingredients today, we have a half a cup of long grain white rice. There's that long grain white rice, if you all can see that. And then I've already chopped up and seasoned our chicken breast. That's right. This is our chicken breast, and also the seasonings that I've put in here. This is actually the little bit of about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of onion powder, and then a tablespoon of that Knorr's chicken bouillon. It's really good. And then I've got here 2 cups of water. And pretty much that's all that we need, folks. Again, this is quick, simple, one pan. And so I'll get you over to our hot stove. All right, YouTube, I have got you here over a very hot cast iron skillet. I've already added about 3 tablespoons or so of canola oil. Again, I always tell you, you want to make sure you have a nice hot pan and then add your cold oil. So this is nice and hot. And so what I'm going to do here, folks, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add that ground chicken that we had earlier, and I'll get that definitely in the pan. So let's go ahead and add that to the pan now. And bam, that is definitely hot. And what we want to do is we want to spread out our chicken, because what we want to do is let this cook on each side for about 7 minutes. And folks, all of that goodness that's going to be stuck at the bottom of this skillet, that's exactly what you need and what you want. And so I just want you to hear, I bump my heat up a little bit to about medium high, and just listen to that chicken, folks. That sound is just totally amazing, folks. I mean, it is just really just sizzling away. Again, we're gonna let this cook on each side anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes on each side, because we want that good caramelization on our chicken, folks. So this is definitely great. If you guys could smell that aroma, the aroma is totally amazing. Again, folks, this is a quick and easy recipe. Again, I just can't reiterate enough. Try it. Maybe you want to make yours with, you know, shrimp. Maybe you want to make yours with drumsticks. I don't know. Just have fun. Play around, folks. Definitely play around, because this is a lot of fun. Cooking should always be a lot of fun. And I'm just going to agitate this just a little bit. And that's what I want, my famous induction, and it's doing good. I mean, it's cooking really, really well. It's exactly what we want. And so YouTube, this has to cook probably for another 2-3 minutes or so. And so when I return, we'll flip it over to the other side and we'll continue the cooking process. Stay tuned, be right back. Okay, fam, so let's go ahead and remove our chicken from the pan, and I'm just taking a bowl and removing our chicken, because we will add it back. And everything you see here in this pan is just nothing but just amazing flavor, and that's exactly what we want. So if you can see that there, that's amazing flavor. So I'm gonna grab some canola oil, and I'm adding 1, 2, 3, about 3 squirts of canola oil. And then I'm gonna take my rice and I'm gonna spread my long grain rice. This is about half a cup of long grain white rice. If you want more rice, you can add that, but it's just me that's gonna eat this one today. If you want to do it for a family or 4, then definitely add you that whole cup of white rice, and you guys will have plenty. And so what we're gonna do here with this rice, I want this rice to just cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. This is a secret tip, folks. You wanna get that little char on your rice, because this is gonna help the rice kind of not stick together. And so you just wanna be a little patient here. And I have a question for you, YouTube. What are some of the quick weeknight meals that you guys like to make? I mean, I know some of you might be working, you have to go to work the next day, or maybe some of you are retired, but what are some of the quick meals that you guys definitely like to make? Let me know. Put it in the comments, definitely let me know. All right, folks, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add that water. So it's about, I have about 2 cups of water. And so I'm gonna add that right now to this rice. So as I add this water, what I also wanna do, I didn't do it all at once, but I wanna scrape the bottom, because this is what deglazes. This definitely deglazes, and this is what you want, folks, with your rice. You want to go ahead and scrape and deglaze, because this is all nothing but pure good flavor. And then we want to take that chicken that we had, and we want to dump that chicken right back in. Definitely want to submerge our chicken right back in there. And look at that, folks. That looks really, really good. I'm gonna add just a little bit more water, and we want to cover it to where it's not completely submerged, but it's right there at the top. And this is what you want. And then what we will do, folks, we're going to cover this up, because this is going to need to cook for at least 20 minutes. Again, this is a 1-pan meal. You're going to love it, folks. So I've covered that up. And when I return, we'll uncover it. We'll take a look at it, get it plated up, and then we'll do our famous taste test. Also, folks, if you have not hit that like and subscribe button, please hit that like and subscribe button. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers, but I need your help to be able to do that. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and then share. If you guys want to share, definitely share. It definitely helps out the algorithm. So see you guys in a moment. YouTube, our rice is done. So wham, this is exactly what we want. I can turn this off and just take a look at that, folks. I mean, woo. I'm gonna try to grab the handle, and I just want to show you guys how amazing this 1-pan meal looks before we get it plated up. I mean, this is what you want, YouTube family. I mean, just take a look at that if you can see it, if I can get you going in the right direction. But this is totally amazing, YouTube. I mean, this is great. So let me get this plated up, and then we will do our famous taste test. Again, this is our cubed up chicken breast with white long grain rice, seasoned up really good. Great southern meal, quick and easy recipe. So let's get this plated up, YouTube. And just look at that. I mean, it is nice, cooked very, very well. Definitely good. We've got to jump in, and definitely I've got to taste this. I want to add some parsley just for color. You don't have to, but I'm going to add a little bit of parsley just for some color. I mean, just sprinkle it all over there, and this is just totally amazing. I mean, just look at that, YouTube. Look at that. This is totally amazing. This is called perfection at its finest. And so I've got a fork, and oh my goodness, everything is just cooked so well. I mean, the seasonings are really good. And so I'm gonna take a bite, YouTube. Matter of fact, YouTube, the first bite's for you. Look at that piece of chicken. Go ahead. There you go. That's yours, YouTube. All right, now it's my turn. Here I go. I don't want to make a mess. I'm going in. This is so good. Seasoned perfectly well. The rice is amazing. And let me take a bite of this rice. Here, that's for you. Taste that rice. Just look at that. That's good. It doesn't stick together or anything. It's perfect rice. Let me take a bite. YouTube, this is what you want. This is amazing. This is definitely amazing. Again, please, folks, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned to my channel, Chef Timmy Jay. See you in the next. Peace.